Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround hosting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the DNS zone editor in SiteGround? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to find the DNS zone editor anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business connecting different websites to different services, you know that sometimes you have to change the CNAME or other parts of the DNS. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround account, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, if you want to get to the DNS zone editor, you're going to click on services here on the top center. Once you do that, you're going to see these options right here, and you want to click on domains. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all the different domains that you have inside SiteGround. So you want to go ahead and scroll through until you find the domain that you need the DNS zone editor. So for example, this one right here, and you're going to click on the settings button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these four options right here, and you want to click on DNS zone editor. Okay, guys, so once you do that, you're going to see the different records in the DNS zone editor. So you can see here is the A records, CNAME records, the text records. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get to the DNS zone editor in your SiteGround account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.